Good day, folks. Today we're going to be taking a look at the boosted battery base for the Insta360 One R. This battery is quite a bit larger than the stock one that comes with the Insta360 One R. It basically doubles the capacity. There's a few pros and a few cons to this battery, so let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So for those of you who would like a larger battery for your Insta360 One R, they do have this available for purchase. It's called the boosted battery base. I'm not quite sure exactly the capacity of it. We'll take a look at that once we get it out of the box. It's not listed anywhere on it. There are a couple really nice benefits to this battery, but there are a couple drawbacks as well. So let's just open it up here and we'll take a look at it. So you can see here in the package, we have an instruction booklet, basically some information about the battery. And we have the battery here. There's a sticker on the side of it that says do not drop into fire. That's good to know. So here it is here, and you can see if we compare it to the stock battery, it is quite a bit larger. So if we look at the rated capacity, the stock battery that comes with the Insta360 One R is rated at 1,190 milliamp hours, and the boosted battery base is rated at 2,380 milliamp hours, so it is double the capacity. One thing I really like about this battery base is that it has the built-in Gopro mounts right in the bottom, similar to how a GoPro is. So with this battery base, you do not have to use a frame. Now with that said, if you're not using the frame, your camera is no longer waterproof. In order for the Insta360 One to be waterproof, you have to have it fully assembled and mounted in the frame. So it really depends how you use your Insta360 One R if that's going to be an issue for you. And I really don't do anything with it that's going to take a heavy impact. That's another thing that they don't recommend, is to use it in extreme action scenarios. I really like the fact that you don't have to use the frame. The frame is probably a sore point for many people. The frame works just fine, but it is kind of tedious to be switching out your different mods. If you're a person who switches frequently from the 360 degree mod, the 1-inch mod, and even the 4K wide angle mod, you know that it can be kind of fiddly to constantly be taking it in and out of the frame. So with a battery like this, you don't need to do that. It has the mount built right into the battery. So let's go ahead and we'll see how it fits. So as you can see, it just connects like the stock battery. Clicks into place. Using the camera without the frame works just fine. As you can see, it's in there very securely. I can't pull it apart at all. Like I mentioned, you can't use it underwater in this configuration, but you know, if you're got caught in some light rain, you're probably going to be just fine. And this battery base is compatible with all the different mods. You can see here we can attach the 1-inch mod, just like that there, and it works just fine. So yeah, actually I really like this battery base just for the fact that you do get double the capacity and you don't have to use the frame. So yeah, folks, just a quick little video for you today. That is the boosted battery base for the Insta360 One R. I'll include some links down below where you can go and check it out further. I don't believe it's available on Amazon as of yet. You can only order it from the Insta360 website. And I just want to mention too, here in Canada, when I went to order it, I couldn't have anything else in my cart. Something to do with battery regulations, they could only be shipped independently. I don't know if it's like that for every country, but here in Canada, you do have to order their batteries separately. It took 2 to 3 weeks to get the battery once I did order it from the Insta360 website. So shipping could be a little bit quicker, but definitely I have experienced worse. Well, folks, that's basically it for my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.